This huge coach home has updated with all stainless appliances, granite countertops and modern lighting. The floor plan is open with a spacious eat-in kitchen, dining and great room. The kitchen has a dual-level granite bar and counter island that welcomes all your guests. The master bedroom and the second bedroom has its own bathroom suites. The third bedroom is adjacent to the third full bath. There is a full-size den office that's perfect as office or quiet reading space. The home has tile throughout the living areas and carpet in the bedrooms. The 600 square feet tiled lanai looks out onto the 12th green with an eastern view, providing bright morning sunshine for a brilliant breakfast view. Gulfshore Business Magazine's 2018 Best of Business, Best Country Club. A beautiful turnkey luxury coach home located in the gated community of Naples Lakes Country Club, an Arnold Palmer Signature Championship golf course community. Naples Lakes has an award-winning clubhouse featuring both fine and casual dining, Grille Room lounge, bar, men's and women's locker rooms, pro shop, large fitness center, 5 lighted Har-Tru tennis courts, pools and a large practice range.